If you are active in the Forex market and want me to give two sell signals on the chart so you can secure 6777 pips, be sure to watch the video till the end. After a 2-year rise, where the gold ounce price increased from $1,600 to $2,800, the price has now corrected quickly to a lower level, roughly at $27 to $90. I want to show you two important zones, two significant peaks. One is here and another is here. Why are these two peaks significant? From this peak, a base was established for us, indicating where the western bottom is, which moved sharply to a lower level. It has corrected upward again, the highest peak on the 4-hour chart now, and the other gold range exists over the past almost 6 months, 5 months. The second peak is $227.23. If we want to draw a trend from these two peaks in this base, we can easily identify a setup for ourselves. When looking at peaks before the current price, we realize these two peaks are important and the current price is approaching these two peaks, where we can take two sell signals on the chart. I have marked these two signals for you on the chart and even set it on my Forex stop. Before I give you the signal, an important point is that financial markets, Forex, crypto, and stocks are risky markets, especially trading, which is riskier. Make sure to finalize. You should ultimately set your stop loss and determine your risk to reward. This requires more maturity and isn't supposed to take much more of your time because its speed is slightly higher compared to investing. Definitely on these two peaks, ideally, ensure you only take sell signals for no more than 1% of the total investment you have in the Forex financial market. A maximum of 1%, half a percent risk here, half a percent there. If you are in a situation where you can maintain your capital with lower risk, consider allocating half a percent to each peak, a quarter percent here, a quarter percent there, opening a sell trade. If you like this video and it helps you and you found it interesting so far, like it to show support. And if you have any comments, analyses, or perspectives, I'd be happy to see them in the comments section and happy to be informed and for us all to benefit. Don't miss the series of analyses and videos. Thank you in advance. Subscribe and turn on notifications.